Imagine you're standing in a bustling manufacturing plant, surrounded by the hum of machinery, the clatter of tools, and the focused energy of workers bringing products to life. It's a scene that embodies the heart of industry, but beneath the surface, there's a complex web of costs, processes, and decisions that can make or break a business. This is where the unsung hero of manufacturing comes into play, the manufacturing product cost expert. You might be wondering, why do I need one of these experts? Let's dive into this critical role and explore how it can transform your business. First off, let's talk about what a manufacturing product cost expert actually does. Their primary focus is on estimating the costs associated with manufacturing products. Sounds simple, right? But it's anything but. These professionals possess a deep understanding of manufacturing processes, materials, and labor costs. They analyze every aspect, from raw materials to overhead expenses, to develop precise cost estimates. This information is crucial for making informed decisions about pricing, production, and ultimately profitability. Now, you might be thinking, can't I just do this myself? Sure, you could try. However, consider the expertise these professionals bring to the table. Most manufacturing product cost experts have backgrounds in engineering, accounting, or business, and many have hands-on experience in the manufacturing industry. They're not just crunching numbers, they're interpreting data, identifying trends, and creating strategies that can save your company money. This level of expertise can be a game changer. Let's break down some of the skills that make a manufacturing product cost expert indispensable. First, there are technical skills. These experts need to understand the nuances of manufacturing processes and be familiar with cost estimating software. They must know how to account for direct and indirect costs, ensuring that every penny is accounted for. This attention to detail is crucial because a small oversight can lead to significant financial repercussions. Next, we have analytical skills. A manufacturing product cost expert must be adept at analyzing data and identifying trends. They're like detectives, sifting through numbers to uncover insights that can help your business thrive. For instance, they might notice that certain materials are consistently driving up costs, prompting a conversation about alternative suppliers or materials. This kind of proactive analysis can lead to substantial savings. Problem-solving skills are equally important. The manufacturing landscape is rife with challenges, from fluctuating material costs to unexpected labor issues. A skilled expert will not only identify these problems, but also devise creative solutions. They think outside the box, finding ways to streamline processes or reduce waste, ultimately improving your bottom line. Communication is another vital skill. A manufacturing product cost expert must be able to convey complex information in a clear and concise manner. They often work with various stakeholders, from engineers to management to customers, and need to ensure everyone is on the same page. Imagine trying to explain a complicated cost structure to someone without a background in finance. This is where their expertise shines. Now, let's talk about teamwork. Manufacturing product cost experts often collaborate with others, sharing insights and information to drive improvements across the organization. They're not lone wolves, they thrive in team environments where their input can make a difference. This collaborative spirit fosters innovation and helps create a culture of continuous improvement. What about the personal qualities that set these experts apart? Being detail-oriented is a must. Manufacturing cost estimates can be incredibly complex, and overlooking even the smallest detail can lead to significant errors. An organized approach is essential as they juggle multiple projects and deadlines. Self-motivation is also key. These professionals often work independently, so they need to stay on track and meet their goals without constant supervision. Experience is another critical factor. When hiring a manufacturing product cost expert, you'll want someone with years of experience in the industry. This experience equips them with a deep understanding of manufacturing processes, systems, and costs. It's not just about having a degree, it's about having a track record of success in cost management and profitability enhancement. Don't hesitate to ask for case studies or examples of their past work. This will give you insight into their capabilities. Credentials matter too. While a degree in engineering, accounting, or business is often a basic requirement, additional qualifications like a certified management accountant or certified cost professional can demonstrate their expertise in cost management. However, remember that practical experience is equally important. You want someone who not only knows the theory but has also applied it successfully in real-world scenarios. Reputation is another crucial aspect to consider. Before hiring a manufacturing product cost expert, check their reputation in the industry. Ask for references and take the time to speak with those who have worked with them. Look for consistency in feedback. Has this expert been published, spoken at conferences, or received any awards? These accolades can provide reassurance that you're making a sound decision. Now, let's explore why your organization might need a manufacturing product cost expert. Are your products not profitable? This could be a sign that your cost estimates are off. A manufacturing product cost expert can help you identify and reduce costs, ensuring that your products are priced appropriately to maintain profitability. Are you losing market share? If competitors are outpacing you, it could be because your products are priced too high. A cost expert can help you analyze your costs and find ways to reduce them, making your offerings more competitive. Facing increased competition. This is a common challenge in today's fast-paced market. To stay relevant, you need to produce your products at a lower cost, and a manufacturing product cost expert can help you achieve this by identifying inefficiencies in your processes. Expanding your product line. You'll need accurate cost estimations for each new product. A cost expert can provide the insights you need to ensure your new offerings are profitable from the get-go. Changing your manufacturing process. You'll want to understand the costs associated with these changes. A manufacturing product cost expert can help you navigate this transition smoothly, ensuring you have a clear picture of the financial implications. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it might be time to consider hiring a manufacturing product cost expert. The benefits they bring to the table are substantial. Accurate cost estimates are just the beginning. These experts can help you develop cost-saving strategies that can significantly improve your profitability. They can also give you a competitive advantage, enabling you to reduce costs and capture more market share. When hiring a manufacturing product cost expert, there are several considerations to keep in mind. First and foremost, experience is key. Ensure that the expert you choose has a solid background in the manufacturing industry. Credentials are important too. Look for someone with the necessary educational qualifications and certifications. Reputation matters. Ask for references and do your due diligence to verify their track record. A good reputation in the industry is often a strong indicator of an expert's capabilities. Now, let's talk about what you can expect when working with a manufacturing product cost expert. You can expect an in-depth understanding of manufacturing processes and costs. These experts will have a comprehensive grasp of the factors that contribute to your product costs, from raw materials to labor. You can also expect them to develop accurate cost estimates. This will empower you to make informed decisions about pricing and production. They'll identify cost-saving opportunities that can enhance your profitability, and they'll communicate complex information in a way that's easy to understand. However, it's essential to manage your expectations. A manufacturing product cost expert is not a magic bullet. They can't simply wave a wand and make your costs disappear. Their role is to provide insights and strategies that can lead to improvements, but there are no guarantees of success. Also, keep in mind that their services come at a cost. While the investment in a manufacturing product cost expert may seem significant, the savings and profitability gains they can help you achieve often far outweigh their fees. In conclusion, hiring a manufacturing product cost expert can be one of the most strategic decisions you make for your business. They bring a wealth of knowledge, skills, and experience that can help you navigate the complexities of manufacturing costs. From accurate cost estimates to identifying cost-saving opportunities, these experts play a vital role in ensuring your products are profitable and competitive. If you're facing challenges in your manufacturing processes, don't hesitate to consider bringing a manufacturing product cost expert on board. The insights they provide can lead to transformative changes in your organization, ultimately driving your success in a competitive marketplace. So, take that step, invest in expertise that can propel your business to new heights.